How's everybody doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Hakka Noodles, which is basically Indo-Chinese noodles. So let's get started. Before you get started, be sure to like the channel and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. So guys, here I have boiling water, which has salt and oil in it. And to the water, we're going to add these noodles. These are chow mein noodles, about 4 of them. So these are 2 minutes ready, and I'll see you guys when my noodles are cooked. Alright, so as you guys can see here, the noodles are done cooking. Let's drain them. Here I'm just using the strainer, and now I'm going to get the big bowl, the big pot of noodles. Alright, I have the big pot here, and I'm going to get in it. Oh, this is good. Alright. Once I've drained your noodles, all you have to do is get some cold water and just like wash them, kind of, yeah. And I'll see you when all my noodles are washed. Once you guys have washed your noodles, you have to put your noodles in the pot that you boiled them in. Before putting your noodles in, I have some veggies over here. If you want to use veggies, you can. But, I mean, if you don't want to use veggies, that's your choice. But I think veggies just go good with these noodles. So I'm just going to like saute my corn and my green bell pepper. I'll see you guys when they're all sauteed. While you guys are sauteing your veggies, don't put any spices or sauces in it. You can put salt if you want, but we're gonna add sauce in the noodles anyway, so it's probably gonna be too much sauce if you add it right now. Alright guys, my vegetables are pretty done, as you can hear. Now all we're gonna do is add our noodles. And now just saute the noodles for some time. For like around 2 to 3 minutes. Noodles are all done sauteing. Now, I just prepared a simple sauce. The sauce consists of about 6 tablespoons of soya sauce and 4 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, if you guys can see that. And yeah, these sauces go really well. So now we're just gonna like mix our sauce with the noodles. I'll see you guys when they're all done. Guys, look at the noodles. They are done.